Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing 3 Dollar Tree home decor hacks just in time for the holidays. When I was at HomeSense, I saw so many Nordic gnomes. They're really hot right now. They're adorable, and I'm going to show you how you can make one with an old bottle, a mop, and a sock.
Grab any old bottle, cut the top off, and then I'm going to cover it with a sock. You can use an old sock or a dollar store sock, and I'm going to tuck in the ends inside. Grab a mop, a clean mop from the dollar store, plop it in, and then grab another sock, cut the toe off, roll it up so you don't see that cut line, and put it over the top to make an adorable hat. I'm going to squeeze the end, add some hot glue so it looks like a little point, and then add a little Christmas decor bulb. You can add a bell, whatever it is you want. Add a pom-pom nose with some hot glue, and that's it, you guys. So fast, so easy, perfect craft for little kids, and it makes adorable decor.
For this next hack, I'm going to show you how you can add a Christmas poinsettia to any pillow that you already have for just a few dollars.
I made you guys a printable template. I'm going to put the link below, but I'm cutting out 8 large petals, 8 medium petals, and 4 smaller petals using Dollar Tree felt. 2 sheets of felt for $1. Then I make a circle and I lay them around in a little circle. It's a circle. And then I grab each petal, I fold the end, and I add hot glue so that it looks like this. And then I fold over that end that's glued together and glue it down and then glue it to my circle. And I'm doing this so it sort of pops a little bit. So again, folding in half, running some glue right there at the base of your petal, and then folding it again, and then adding hot glue to your circle and attaching all of them. You're going to do this again with the medium, and then layer those on top, going in between each of the larger petals, and then finally the exact same thing with your last petals. To cover up your little middle, I'm using some Dollar Tree bells. I just safety pin these flowers onto existing pillows for quick holiday decor.
Now I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful sweater pillow for Christmas using literally an old sweater. And with the leftovers, you can make boot socks and an infinity scarf. 3 projects out of 1 old sweater.
This sweater was too big for me, so what I'm doing is cutting off the arms. We're going to save that for another project. Cutting off the neckline and then cutting off the bottom. Again, I'm going to use this bottom for another project. Now I'm flipping it inside out and simply running hot glue along the top and running hot glue along the bottom, but leaving a little section so that when I flip it inside out, I can of course add my pillow. I'm using a fall pillow. I'm covering it up, rolling the end, and then adding hot glue to make a new seam. I really wish I had a cable knit sweater. I think this would have looked way better, but I'm using what I have. This sweater was just going to be donated anyways, and I'm adding some felt from the Dollar Tree, this felt snowflake from the Dollar Tree, and this little ornament for the Dollar Tree to make an adorable pillow. With the leftover arms, simply cut them down a little bit to make sure that both of them are the same length. I'm actually not going to even glue the ends. They're not fraying, so I'm just cuffing the top, and I'm going to add some little embellishments with these. They're actually little clothes pegs, but I'm breaking off the snowflakes and gluing them onto the seam. Tuck them into your boots like leg warmers, and you have adorable boot socks. Part of your sweater, simply flip it inside out, and you only have 1 seam to glue down. You only have the top seam, so run that with some hot glue, or you can sew it, and then that's it, you guys. It's an infinity scarf.
So I love my scarf. It's slightly cutting off the circulation to my brain a little bit, probably. So if you have a bigger sweater, that would be great, or don't wrap it twice. But I still super love it. I love the little embellishments that are from the Dollar Tree. I super love my boot socks. What do you do when you take off your boots when you get someplace though? Do you just like tuck them in or do you walk around with leg warmers? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're feeling super inspired, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. It is my life's mission on my bucket list to save someone's life. So I'm a rubberneck every time you go by an accident. I'm like, does someone need saving? I'm here for you. I've watched a lot of Grey's Anatomy in house, so I feel prepared. You guys, I feel prepared. One time I almost saved someone, so I'm gonna tell you the story. Maybe I've told you the story, but I'm telling you again. I went to see Twilight with my sister, the third Twilight. Don't ask me why. I hate those movies. She liked them. I'm a good sister. And it got to the birthing scene, and the lady beside us was screaming, my husband, help, somebody help. Da, 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 da. So I jumped out of my seat, and I literally jumped on his lap because he was all like, I thought he had a heart attack. And so I straddled this guy, and I was about to CPR, mouth to mouth, and I thought I'm gonna check his pulse, which he had one, because he fainted from the blood in the movie. So close. But I still feel like I kind of saved him because I checked his pulse, but I'm really glad I checked before I started sucking on his face. He fainted from the blood because he's a... Can I say that? I can't probably say that. Just bleep that. Okay, he fainted because he's a big giant baby. And he'll probably never live that down. So then we literally carried him. He's a big dude, all three of us, his wife and my sister and I. We dragged his butt out so the other people could finish the movie. I never got to see the end. I'm not sad about it though, because it's Twilight. See you guys next time.